Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today I thought we'll make another resin notebook cover. So the theme of our cover today is Ariel from the Little Mermaid. Isn't she pretty? So this is a dimensional sticker, and what we're going to do is use it for our notebook. And I think it's going to turn out really great. So I have my 2-part resin. I have some alcohol ink. We're going to make a little seascape from this, some glitter, and of course our stickers. Alright, let's get started. Let's start by prepping the stickers. We're going to use some Mod Podge and add a thin layer to the front and the back. This will make the stickers waterproof. Next, we're going to mix our resin and add some colors. This one's going to be blue. This one's going to be green. And this last one is going to have some sand. This is just craft sand. Next, we're going to add some colored chips. So blue to this one. Green to this one. And I'm going to add a little bit of bronze to the sand. Let's stir it up and see how it looks. That's strange. This forest green turned out to be more blue. So since we want Ariel to sit like this, we're going to put the sand down here in a little triangle. Now let's add the blue and green. Next, we're going to pour the resin on top. We're going to pour the green first here right next to the sand, and then the blue. In between, we're going to pour some clear resin to help mix the colors. Now we're going to blend the colors a little bit. We're going to pour more blue on top. To add some seafoam, we're going to first pour some clear resin. Next, taking some white resin, we're going to add a few streaks across the water. Now using my heat gun, we're going to spread the white around. So we're going to blow it upwards and outwards. We're going to do it one more time, add some white resin. And then blow it outwards. This is looking really good. I'm going to add a little bit more sparkle. Here we're going to add a little bit more glitter over the water. And now we can add the stickers. I already put Ariel down, and now we're going to add the sea stars and the seahorse. And then we wait 24 hours. Alright everyone, so it's been 24 hours and our notebook cover is ready. So it's completely hard and I think it looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and demold it. Okay, so here is the back, and here is the front. Just look at this, isn't it beautiful? I love the little beach scene back here, and of course the ocean is super beautiful. We have all the sea foam. Alright everyone, so here it is, my new notebook cover. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. So this is actually very lightweight and it is hard, so it would protect your notebook, and it just looks so cool. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my notebook cover featuring Ariel. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!